mean, we can do it later. Or we could do it. Whatever. We could just stay. Shall we?
Yes, Catherine?
I was like, if Danielle doesn't want to go, I'm fine with that. We're fine with that.
I know you are, yeah. I'm fine with that too. He knows Halloween.
I totally
you know.
don't want to steal Halloween away.
No, I know you don't. I don't think we need to go for long, but then you guys probably won't be up for stuff.
It's a little big for you, mister. Maybe next year this will fit you a little better. Does it look too big for him? He's a lion. He's a lion. He's a baby lion. He's a baby lion.
Or he could be a princess. I don't think he would like it.
A princess?
It fits him.
I know, but...
Out of the question.
We're just... Boys aren't usually princesses. So I think we'll just stick with the gender roles tonight.
He's a little teeny tiny pig.
Oh, sorry. Are you painting it on your wall? No.
Oh, man, I'm looking amazing. I have a question.
No, in the closet. Go up to the left.
Luke,
And
what are you doing?
Okay, now wait a minute. Where is that?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Do you see that big bag on the floor? My friend.
Oh my god. That is ridiculous.
Oh, I love you.
Oh my. Okay, ready? Gigi, get over with Luke.
Oh no.
I think I scared him.
Cheese, say cheese, Gigi.
Gigi, you're with Lucas. Look at Lucas. You're
Luke trying to escape.
Is that funny?
You tried to kiss her?
Is that funny?
Whoa!
Oh, Leo, give space, please. Let me see, Gigi. One more picture.
They're all crying. They're like, God, miserable.
Okay. All right. Let's take it off. Take it off.